What's up, everyone? This is Bill. Today I got a quick little video for you guys. My friends over at Providence Spyder and Motorcycle Accessories have sent this out to me. This is the security key holder for the Can-Am Ryker. Obviously it'll work with any model of the Can-Am Ryker. They all use the same key fob. So this is machined and milled out of a solid piece of aluminum. So it's definitely a lot more heavy duty than this cheap plastic one that Can-Am gives you. You know, and this thing just slides in and out. They're real easy. They give you a key ring that's kind of garbage, really. So it's definitely nothing high quality about this at all. Now this new key fob comes with a nice lanyard, and I would definitely not recommend hooking it by that. So the way I would carry it would be to hook the key ring right to the actual string on the lanyard, if you end up using that lanyard. But this comes with a nice big stainless steel key ring, big and heavy duty for putting all your keys on. And then you obviously have this aluminum ball. Now you'll see when you first get these, it will be perfect without any scratches. I've been using this one for about a month now, and I use it on a regular basis with my Ryker. It's a much snugger fit. Okay, it's not going to come out of there, right? If you're carrying your keys in your pocket or, on the lanyard or whatever, this thing is not going to come out of there unless you want it to. Obviously it does snap in and out of there. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. It's just much more snug fit. Very heavy duty, very professional looking. Okay, I'll show you guys some pictures on screen here right now of the milling process, that they sent me over to show the milling process that it goes through. So it's high quality billet aluminum that it's milled from. Precision, very precise. Every one of them exactly identical. Fits nice and snug. Okay, these are only $19. Like I said, in the kit you'll get a lanyard. There's multiple colors. You will get a random color. I'm sure if you email them and request a specific color, I'm sure they'll do that. But I know I've seen purple, green, red, blue, and black are the colors that I know I have seen personally of the lanyard. And then and those were all random. When they sent me a bunch to do a giveaway, those were all random, the colors of the lanyard. So get your aluminum key fob and your stainless steel key ring in the kit for $19. So killer deal for $19. You can't go wrong. This thing is absolutely amazing. I wish the Ryker would have came with this from the factory. And usually with the Ryker you'll get a spare key. It's almost worth having two of these, just to have one hooked up to your spare key so you don't lose your spare key. Yeah, I know. I use two of them, one for my spare key and one for this. So anyways, that's my video. I wanted to show you guys. Again, you can see there, snaps in, snaps back out. Here's the factory one. Comes out really easy. I have had this come off in my pocket. This guy, no way. Won't come off unless you want it to. Okay, so go get yours. There's a link in the description below the video. $19. You guys can't go wrong with this. Definitely highly recommend this for your Can-Am Ryker. Anyways, that's it, guys. I wanted to keep this short and sweet for you guys. By far, one of the better products that I have seen as far as an upgrade for your Can-Am Ryker, right? $19. I don't think there's anything else out there you can buy for the Ryker that's $19. So, $19 well spent when you go get one of your aluminum key fob holders from Providence Spyder and Motorcycle Accessories. Big shout out to those guys. Amazing company. They're in upstate New York. These are made in upstate New York, right here in the U.S. Okay, go check them out. Link in the description. Go follow them on their Instagram. I'll put their Instagram here on screen. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps me out tremendously. Keeps companies sending me products like this to show you guys. You guys have a good day. Peace.